Tell me what you're doing.
I am making gas.
And what are you doing?
I'm putting vinegar in it. I put vinegar in it.
Okay, now.
Now what?
Take that spoon of baking soda. Put it in that test tube.
How am I supposed to do that? It's too big.
I'll try. Do it carefully.
Mom,
You can do
are
it.
you videoing me? If you want, please just tell me.
Pour it in.
What happens if I miss?
It's alright. Wow, what's happening?
It's making gas?
Yeah. Pour some more in.
For what?
Some more of that powder.